This is my client's existing bathroom. They have a sink, entry, closet, another sink right here, heater, tub and shower, and toilet. Now, they don't really use this sink right here. It's a pedestal sink. The only one who actually uses it is the cat. So what we're going to do is take out the sink and we're going to make it a little bit bigger for one area with the tub and shower together and keep everything else the same. Untrained eye, this might look like it's okay and it's making progress, but actually there's a lot of sloppy work here, and then on top of that he used whatever fixtures that he wanted to use, and so those guys are fired. That's why the inspections are very important during construction, because you can catch things before the job is done. So at this point, we talked to the client's lawyer and had the company send out a newer team who would complete the job as designed.